Okay, Daniel, I'm going to try this one more time. See if I can get it to work this time. So I'm gonna show you how to record a song, or I'm sorry, download a song from Amazon. Um, so here I am at the Amazon homepage. You had asked for a song, but I already downloaded that one. So now I'm gonna download a different one. I'm gonna download one called Up Down from Brown and Gray. And hopefully it's in there. There it is. Um, Now you can see that because I have Amazon Prime just like you do, I can stream it, I can listen to it right now, or I can go and download it onto my computer so I could put it on a device, which is what you're looking to do. So you have to click on the song. I guess they all look like the same thing, but we'll click on this one. And here it is. So I can listen to it now, or I can buy the song directly, or I can add it to my MP3 card. And that's actually what I want to do, because you want the MP3s, because that's what your your hi-fi walker takes. So I'm going to add it to my MP3 card, and there it is. So I'm going to click that. And you don't have to do this one at a time. If you have a list of like 3 or 4 songs you want to get at once, you would see them all in here. But since I just have the one, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to check out. It's $1.29. You can see that here. Not all songs are going to be that price. There are going to be some that are going to be less, but the newer and popular songs are usually going to be $1.29. So I'm going to proceed to checkout. And I don't know if your mom on your account has a credit card saved on there. If not, you might have to enter some information, but I have mine saved on here. So pay with US dollars, and that's all I have to do to buy it. So it thanks me, yada yada. But then I want to download it. So if I download it, a window should pop up, and I put it in my music folder, and so that's where it is right now. And I'm gonna change the name so that way it's a name that I want in my collection. So this is Brown and Gray, top down. I'll save it, and that's all there is to it. Then when I go into my music folder, I'll see all the music I've downloaded, and I can drag it from here to my hi-fi walker, to my phone, whatever I choose. It's pretty easy, but if you ever have any questions, please let me know, and I hope this is helpful.